Welcome to Jilan Math Academy. Dear friends, in this video I am going to show you how to define
cosec value of an angle.
So let us see. So this is a right angle. This is one of the right angle triangle. Let it. It is A. It is B. It is C. So here B is the 90 degree. B is the 90 degree. We know that 90 degree opposite is called a hypotenuse. So this is the hypotenuse. AC is the hypotenuse here. It is the hypotenuse. It is opposite side hypotenuse, and then remaining between remaining two angles, angle A and angle C, both are acute angles. Between these two angles, I am going to select C as a theta. So this theta opposite side. What is the position of AB? AB is the opposite of theta. So AB is the opposite side of angle C, and also this is the position of BC. The position of BC with respect to theta, it is called adjacent side. So BC is called adjacent side. Adjacent side of an angle C. So these are all the three sides of triangle. Now with the help of these three sides, I am going to write 6 different types of ratios. So they are AB by AC, BC by AC, AB by BC, AC by AB, AC by BC, BC by AB. These are all 6 different types of ratios. Between these 6 different types of ratios, we know that AB by first ratio, AB by AC, the ratio AB by AC is called sin theta, and BC by AC is called cos theta, and AB by BC is called tan theta, and BC by AB is called cot theta, and then AC by BC is called secant theta. Now last and final ratio, AC by AB. What do you call AC by AB? How it is coming? So we know that sine. Take first sine. What is the ratio of sine theta? It means AB by AC. The sine theta ratio is AB by AC. So if you want to taking inverse of sine theta, so it means inverse of sine theta means AC by AB. It is invertendo. The property is invertendo. With the use of property invertendo, we taking it means inverse of sine theta. AB by AC is AC by AB. This AC by AB is called cosecant or cosec theta. This is called cosecant or cosec theta. So last and final ratio, this is the AC by AB. It is called cosec or cosecant theta. Now write the definition. In a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle ABC. So the ratio of AC, what do you call AC here? AC mean hypotenuse. The ratio of hypotenuse and here what is that? AB. AB means what? AB means opposite side. So the ratio of hypotenuse and opposite side of an angle is defined as cosecant value of an angle. Cosecant value of an angle. This cosecant value of an angle is denoted by cosecant value of an angle C with respect to C is denoted by, how you denoted by? So is denoted by, what is that? So cosecant of C or cosec C or cosec theta. So cosec C or cosecant theta is equal to, what is that? Hypotenuse, the ratio of hypotenuse on the opposite side. So hypotenuse by opposite side of angle C is equal to the ratio is AC by AB. AC by AB. The ratio is AC by AB here. So simply we should return cosecant C or cosec theta is equal to AC by AB. Similarly, here I have selected C as theta. If you want to select A as theta, how can you write that ratio of that secant? Sorry, ratio of that cosecant. So cosecant C or cosec theta is equal to, see here, if you want to select theta, so hypotenuse, so theta hypotenuse is AC, as usual AC, and what is the definition? Opposite side. What is the opposite side of theta? Theta opposite side is BC. So this is the definition of cosecant value of an angle or cosec value of an angle. I hope enjoyed my video. If you like it, check my Zilan Math Academy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.